Hello everyone, Matt here with Torque King. Today's product highlight video is on the TM2000 for the MP205 transfer case. These transfer cases are known to be tough and one of the most reliable transfer cases ever built. When it comes time to build your MP205 transfer case, you will want one of these high quality, full color, printing on 8.5 wide by 11 inches high paper. It has plastic covers and will open flat so you can have the manual right next to you as you rebuild your MP205 transfer case. This premium shop manual has over 375 photographs. It is your go-to resource for the MP205. It has shop procedures, parts identification. It has a complete coverage of disassembly, inspection, reassembly procedures. Also, it has shop notes, tool recommendations, complete parts guide, and what I think is awesome are the full color exploded views, including right drop and left drop models. The MP205 was the last all-gear drive transfer case offered by U.S. vehicle manufacturers for 1 ton and lighter 4x4 trucks. Rebuilding the MP205 is not a job that requires a rocket scientist, but there are enough quirks to make having one full color, step-by-step TM2000 MP205 transfer case a necessity to keep your blood pressure down. For more tech notes and applications, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey there friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web at the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and a comment on what you saw. Let us know if you want to see a different product featured here. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new content. We have new content coming out every week. We appreciate having you along while we grow this channel. Thanks for watching and good luck keeping your rig on the road.